Hello, welcome back, my channel Iron Stoic. Today, I'll give you the perfect response you should have when a woman hugs you. Have you ever been hugged by a woman with more passion than usual, leaving you completely confused and unsure of how to react here? I'll tell you about 4 types of hugs, so stay until the end, because I'll explain how you should react to never miss an opportunity. Again, a hug can be much more than just a simple gesture of greeting or affection in the silent language of attraction. It can be the key to discovering what a woman really feels about you. Many times, what seems like a casual act is actually a disguised invitation, an experiment to measure your reaction, or even a subtle way to express desire. The problem is that most men don't know how to read these nuances, letting valuable opportunities pass by without even realizing it. If a woman feels attracted to you, she might use a hug as a bridge to test physical closeness. However, if you don't catch the signal or react incorrectly, you might make her think you're not interested, that you lack confidence, or worse, that you simply don't understand the dynamics of seduction. A hug is not just a physical act. It's an exchange of energies, the way she approaches you, the duration of the contact, the pressure with which she envelops you, and even the way she separates can reveal much more than any words. That's why it's crucial to learn how to interpret these gestures accurately, to respond appropriately, and increase attraction. Let's go over the 4 types of hugs. Number 1, a quick and distant hug with pats on the back. This is the type of gesture that occurs between friends or acquaintances without any special romantic charge. It lasts only 1 or 2 seconds. There's a slight inclination of the body without the torso touching too much, and it usually includes pats on the back. It's a friendly gesture, a simple formality without any romantic background. If this is the only type of hug you receive from her, it means she's not interested in you romantically. Yet, in that case, the best thing is to focus on generating more tension and moments of closeness. From the hug, become a master at seducing all the women you desire. With our course, you need to enter the link. I leave in the description, and it will be irresistible for all of them. Number 2, a short hug, but with firm contact. It lasts a few seconds longer, and there's more firmness in the way she wraps her arms around you. It can be an indication that she feels comfortable with you, but it's not yet a clear sign of attraction. The key is to observe if her body remains relaxed, and if the pressure with which she holds you is greater than usual. Don't pull back abruptly. Maintain the contact for a second longer than she expects, and observe her reaction. If she smiles, looks you in the eye, or maintains a relaxed posture, you can consider this a sign that she's open to more closeness in the future. Number 3, a long and warm hug. This is a clear sign of a deeper connection. If a woman hugs you and maintains contact for longer than usual without rushing to let go, and her body relaxes against yours, she might even press her chest against your torso. The separation occurs in a slow manner, as if she wants to prolong the moment without making it too obvious. Many times, this type of hug is a silent test to see how you respond to physical closeness. If in addition to the action, you notice that she breathes more slowly or that her hands lightly grasp your back, it's a clear sign of attraction. Don't pull away immediately. Maintain the contact and accompany it with a gentle touch on her back or waist to intensify the connection. Number 4, an intimate hug. It happens when she approaches. Without reserve, rests her head on your shoulder or neck, and her breathing becomes more noticeable. Sometimes, this type of hug is accompanied by a gentle caress on the back, a whisper near the ear, or even a pause before completely separating. At this point, attraction is evident. She might not express it with words, but her body is indicating that she feels comfortable, protected, and most importantly, attracted. This type of hug is a silent invitation to increase intimacy. If you notice she doesn't pull away immediately, You can take advantage of the moment to look her in the eye and evaluate if there's a propitious moment for a greater approach like a kiss. If you detect that a hug has signs of attraction, the next step is to intensify the connection without rushing. The key is to respond with confidence, but without showing anxiety or desperation. A hug with signs of attraction is not just about the physical contact itself, but about what happens before, during, and after that moment. Everything counts, from the way she approaches you to the way she separates. When you notice that the hug lasts longer than usual, that her body feels relaxed against yours, or that there's a little extra pressure in the way she wraps her arms around you, you can take it as a sign that she's comfortable with your closeness and possibly exploring the chemistry between you. At this point, your response should be equally subtle but effective. One way to intensify the connection is to accompany the hug with a little extra contact. A simple gesture, like a subtle touch on the lower back or a gentle grasp on her waist, can make a big difference. This type of contact generates a sense of intimacy without being too obvious or invasive. The important thing is to do it naturally without abrupt movements or calculated gestures. The secret lies in reading her body language and noticing how she responds to that contact. If upon feeling the touch on her back or the grasp on her waist, she doesn't pull away but instead relaxes her posture or leans in closer, it's a clear sign that she enjoys the contact and is willing to more interaction. Some women even react by slightly tilting their head towards you or supporting their body more firmly, which indicates they're comfortable in that moment of closeness. Another key detail is to observe her reaction. When separating many times, the hug itself isn't the most important thing. It's what happens right after. If when releasing her she holds your gaze for a few seconds, smile softly, or keep her body close to yours instead of pulling away immediately. These are clear signs that the hug wasn't just a friendly gesture, but a sign of the attraction waiting for a response from you. This is a crucial moment where many men make the mistake of doing nothing and thus miss the opportunity to advance in the connection. The next time a woman hugs you, pay attention to the details, because in that silent gesture, the desire she hasn't dared to express with words might be hidden. Thank you for joining us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, good luck with your relationships.